Hey everyone, welcome to Crafty List Creations. Today I'll be showing you how to make Mr. Bones pumpkin face. I got this pumpkin from Walmart. This pumpkin is 5 inches in diameter, and what I'm going to be doing is using a little bit of this pumpkin for the Mr. Bones face. And first I'm going to cut off about this much, and cut it off with a knife. It's not half, it's just a little less half that I'm cutting. So it gives out a bit of mess, but it's good to clean. So that this is the part that we'll be using. It did break off a little bit when I cut it, but I'm gonna put this one down like that. This will be the bottom, this will be the top. And we're back. So now we have this right here. This will be the face of the Mr. Bones wreath that I'm planning on making. So what I'll be doing here is I'll be adding chalk paint to make it a little bit more white. So it adds just chalk paint on it. I'm just gonna get a brush and I'm just gonna add some chalk paint. Just paint white. Just try to get in to those little ridges. All painted white. I'm gonna finish painting this and fast forward and we'll be right back. Okay, so I painted this white. I'm just gonna give it one coat and I'll leave this to dry and I'll come back for the next step. Welcome back. So now I made sort of a face of the Mr. Bones on the little triangles and a little smiley face with an orange crayon, pencil crayon, and then now I'm gonna just outline that and color it in with black. Okay, so there it is. That's my little Mr. Bones face that I'll be using as an attachment. To make the little hands of the Mr. Bones, I just freehand this. So I'm just gonna trace this. Just cut it out. This one goes this way, this one, you put it in the wreath. So let's trace this. This is felt, and then felt. So I'm just gonna trace that, just leaving a little bit of, just so I can overlap it onto the foam board. I'm just gonna trace it all around like that, about 1/2 inch more. That, just take that off, and I'm just gonna probably just fold it over like this, so I can make 2, I think, I hope. Yeah, we'll have enough. So this way I won't have to trace 2 times. Okay, so we have a little thing here and here. Start gluing this on this side. Add this in there. Grab this. do though? Oh no, this way. Okay. So I'm gonna glue that and then cut it after. And I'm just gonna cut that around. Okay, so there's little hands. I think there might be a tad big, but it's okay. Welcome back. So here's what I made. I did add some paint on to make it look like fingers. So that's the right. This is the left. So that's our wreath attachments for. Let me add. I want to clean this up with I think I'm gonna trace this and add a little bit of felt on here too. Yes, I'll do that. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna cut it and glue it on in the back to make it look finished. So we can attach that to the back. Probably in the middle. Make a snip right there. First, let's attach the cable belt in there. And hopefully it stays. Yep, it's gonna stay. So I'm just gonna make little snips right there for the pipe cleaners to go through. Here, in here. Okay, so we're just gonna slip that in there, and this one. Push that through. Okay. Make sure this is lined up. If not, we'll have to make some adjustments. Oh, that's pretty good right there. Okay. And now I'm just gonna glue this down. Put lots of glue on here. So that so there's the wreath attachments. So thank you all for joining me. You guys please subscribe to our channel for more little videos like this in the future, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel at Craftiless Creations and join us over at Facebook at Craftiless Creations. Okay? See you there. Bye.